Hey there! Welcome to this new course. This is Carlota, your teacher throughout the course. This time, we are going to learn some useful tips to create our own mecha robots the best way we can. I'll be showing you some examples of what I want to draw, like some images that I'll get from the internet and other references that we'll be using to create our robot. Other aspects we'll be working with are volumes, color and filters to add the final details to our design. By the way, thank you for enrolling in this course and for trusting me and joining me. Ready to get started? Oh yeah, almost forgot it. Remember you can find me in my social networks, both Instagram and Twitter. You'll find the link to them in my profile in Thread. So guys, this has been the presentation. See you in the following lessons.